Where are we? This isn't Kansas.
Welcome to non-canonical Fronical Land.
Wait, just a minute. Yeah, I'm not seeing that place in here.
Just enjoy it.
Yay! 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 Okay, I'm bored.
Whoa, is this actually non-canonical Fronical Land? I've always wanted to come here.
Why is that?
Well, nothing matters here, so if I do something like this, my actions have no consequences.
Dude, what the heck?
Oh, okay, it's happening again. There you go. Okay, yep. Oh, there you go. Alright, nice job. I really need a better way to recover you guys. Dude. Watch.
This doesn't seem very nice.
Whoa. What's going on? This doesn't feel very good. What the? How did this happen? I was literally over there for like 2 minutes.
Teriyaki sauce did it.
You snitch. Why did you?
Whoa.
Okay. Useless. Hey everyone, it's me. Not now. We gotta help Honeyjar on the lily pad.
It's getting hard to breathe in here.
Oh, I know a guy that can help. Come on. Okay. Okay, just gonna. Okay, follow me, guys.
Who are you going to see?
If I remember, he's a blacksmith.
What? A blacksmith?
Yeah, I mean, I thought if someone could help remove something, it'd probably be him, right? Is this the address? Yeah, this is right. And also, whenever you get up to the speaker, make sure you ask for someone whose name starts with a P.
State your business.
Yeah, we're looking for this guy. I think his name is like Mr. P, like the potato, like Potato Head. Yeah. Hey, can you help our friends out?
Bring them closer. I see. Well, I guess that we can...
Wait, hold on. Take your hood off.
What? Why? Jeez, it defeats the whole purpose if I don't even have my hood on.
That's your crisp and crunchy edibles. I didn't know you were a blacksmith.
I mean, rent's due soon and this show is not paying enough.
I see.
That's a package of crisp and crunchy edibles. So can you fix it or not?
Yeah, that'll be 20,000 goof bells.
20,000? At that cost, it would be better to just write both of them out of the show, am I right? Oh, don't worry, I got this.
Sir, you really need to use the door from now on.
You can go, Steve.
Yes, sir.
Here.
Great! I don't even need my tools to do this!
Wait, what? What are you doing?
Stand back, kid! Let the professionals do their work!
What about all of the honey?
Oh, right!
God, what? Are you okay?
Hello? Where are you guys?
Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. Ni le bien.